How to increase Cash App limits. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there are several ways that you can use in order to increase the limit of your Cash App. The first one is that verify your identity, and after that add a bank account or a debit card to your Cash App. And this is just the beginning of setting a limit on your Cash App. And after that, make sure that you maintain good financial transaction history on Cash App, which is that don't borrow as much as you can. Instead, take a little less loan, which is you are allowed to, and also pay the borrowings on time. And the more money that you will receive on your Cash App and the more you will utilize Cash App, the better for you and for the Cash App limit. And these are some only ways that you can utilize in order to increase your limit. And you can also contact the support in case if that works out, but it will hardly work out. And the only way that works is having good transaction history on Cash App, because everyone verifies their account and add a bank account, so that's like everyone does that. But maintaining a good financial transaction history is something that not everyone is doing, so you can do that. And after that, you can just simply increase your limit, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.